Hello, we got this KC. We are looking for great people, maybe just like you. And today we're here to talk with my friend Stacy Schoen from Altium. Stacy, welcome.
Hi.
I wanted to talk to you today about the company is expanding and looking for great candidates to join the team. First of all, before we get started, tell us a little bit about what you do at Altium.
Well, I am actually in the position of a blow mold operator. And that is definitely the people that we need right now. We need quite a few of them. So not a hard job, but we make Dawn dish soap bottles, French's mustard bottles, stuff along that line.
Exactly, blow mold operator does in layman's terms.
Well, just a little description. This is like very, very vague, but there's like a huge wheel, and then there's plastic that will come down. The wheel comes around, closes on the plastic, blows the bottle up. Wheel finishes back around, drops on the table, comes downstream. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's not a crazy hard process.
Certainly a job that people that may not have necessarily experience can be trained and taught to do.
Yes, exactly. So when I went in, I had worked in plastic before, but it was injection molding, which is totally different. But I was able to learn the job. It's, as long as you have some type of machine operator skills, something like that. It's something that you can be taught, definitely.
Altium has a lot of different positions available, and currently, in addition to the blow mold machine operator, they have an opportunity for utility worker, process engineer, and the gym maintenance technician, and other positions. For those who might be interested, how can people start the process of maybe joining the team at Altium?
Well, they can go to the website. I believe that you guys have that posted, or you can come in person to the plant, and the address is 11725 West 85th Street. We also need forklift drivers. That's a big one. And it's a lot of forklift, but also it'd be really great if anybody had any, it's clamp truck. We use a lot of clamp truck.
Stacy, if I wanted to be a forklift operator, maybe race, is that possible? Do you think we could do any forklift racing?
We would have to do that somewhere else. We definitely cannot. We would both be in trouble if we tried that in the plant, but we can try that somewhere else.
I'm kidding. Of course, we're looking for great people at Altium. And if you want to find out more information, go to We Got This KC. All of the information and the opportunity is available to join this exciting company. It is a pleasure, Stacy, to chat with you, and we'll curb the forklift racing till another time.
Yeah. We will, yeah.
Stacy Schoen, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.